Now, we may not see the effects of a hurricane directly here in Northern Virginia, but some of the indirect effects could include flooding, power outages, and even heavy rain. So to get ready, Virginia is hosting the Virginia Sales Tax Holiday from May 25th through 31st to give shoppers the opportunity to stock up on much needed supplies for the hurricane season. Some of the items included in Virginia's Hurricane Preparedness Sales Tax Holiday include ice packs, batteries, fuel containers, bottled water, smoke detectors, and even cell phone chargers. There's really something available for everyone. It's really important to have an emergency preparedness kit because you just don't know when or where you'll be when an emergency happens. So making sure you have some supplies in your car, under your desk at work, and at home is really important so that you're prepared at any time.